Walking through some of the tight corridors and steep staircases, it was clear RFA Tideforce was an impressive vessel both inside and out. Our tour included the bridge, cargo holds and engine room, where we got to speak to some of the crew about their tasks.
We're the Royal Fleet Auxiliary, commonly known as the RFA, so we're a flotilla of civilian crewed ships, but we're owned and operated by the Ministry of Defence. So we look similar to warships. We're painted grey. We've got weapons for self-defence reasons only. We have very naval style of uniform. The only real difference between my uniform and a Royal Navy uniform is that I've got diamonds on my epaulets as opposed to curls. And we've very Navy ways of working, so we work very closely with the Navy, but we're essentially, we are civilians, so we've got merchant Navy roots. And Royal Fleet Auxiliary was formed in 1905, so this is a very important year. It's our 120th anniversary. And we provide the Royal Navy at sea with food, fuel and ammunition. We also conduct a number of secondary roles, such as counter-piracy operations, counter-narcotics and humanitarian aid and disaster relief.
We're in RASCO right now, which is our RAS control area. So these screens here was where we control all our pumps and our tanks to actually send the fuel over to the warships via the RAS rigs. So we monitor the volume in all of our tanks and we control the flow as it goes over. When we start a RAS, it'll start quite slowly, and then once we're confident it's all going in the right places, we'll increase it and try and get it going as efficiently as possible. So this is where our RAS rig driver controls the RAS rig. So we've got our winch controls, and they control the hoses which we send out to the warship. So when we first connect up, we've got ropes going between the warships, and then we send over wires, and then eventually on that wire we send out the hoses that will connect into their manifold to actually send the diesel and the aviation fuel. So it's really important that we send them out nice and slowly, and that we keep a good tension. If we get too much tension, we could physically draw the ships in together, which we don't want to do. And as the ships are naturally going along in the sea, we need to keep those the RAS rig at a good level between the two ships.
So this is the machinery control room. So we control propulsion, generation, freshwater generation, aircon, the toilets, everything that keeps this ship running is controlled in this room.
Tide-class tankers are the largest ships currently in service within the Royal Fleet Auxiliary, and that was certainly evident in our tour. It was an eye-opening experience to see all the different tasks Tideforce carries out, from the huge flight deck and hangar for helicopters to its various state-of-the-art instrumentation. RFA Tideforce is no stranger to the Rock and will no doubt be back.